Tonight, Eyewitness News investigates the tragic death of 8-year-old JaeLuv Smith. He was found dead from blunt force trauma. His guardians arrested for murder and felony child abuse. Fresno County is now being sued by JaeLuv's birth mother. The lawyer representing her speaking exclusively to us tonight. CBS 47's Kara Rucker joins us live in studio with the horrific case of alleged child abuse and who could be held accountable for it. Kara.
Catherine, according to documents from Child Protective Services, JaeLuv Smith was found with marks around his wrists, ankles, and neck. There were signs of several fractures, and a BB was found in his thigh. We requested CPS records to figure out what went so wrong. His file was 104 pages. The Director of Social Services admitting there are inconsistencies. The law firm now taking on the case wants someone held accountable.
We filed a claim on behalf of JaeLuv's estate for the pain and suffering that he went through before his death.
The County of Fresno is now being sued for wrongful death damages over its handling of JaeLuv Smith's prior CPS investigations. There were 2 prior referrals investigated by the county, the lawsuit pointing to these investigations as opportunities to have saved JaeLuv.
If something had been done at that point, there's a very good chance that JaeLuv could have been saved.
The lawsuit states the County of Fresno violated various mandatory duties and is therefore liable. In the first CPS investigation in 2016, the lawsuit claims social services failed to interview the person reporting the abuse, as well as JaeLuv's biological mother and grandmother, both of whom were referenced as having knowledge of the abuse. It's something we asked the Director of Child Welfare Services when we first reviewed JaeLuv's records.
Their grandmother knows about the abuse. It's not protocol to have to talk to the grandma.
It's not, they don't have to, but it's best practice for them to talk to the people who know about it.
And in both case investigations, the guardians who were the alleged abusers were present when the social workers interviewed JaeLuv.
We have the guardian asking to be present when the social worker is interviewing the children, and it's allowed.
So best practice in terms of interviewing kids in front of the alleged perpetrators is not what we like to do.
In the 2020 CPS investigation, a mandated reporter stated JaeLuv was at school with a swollen hand. JaeLuv told the principal he was hit with a hanger. The report notes he also was limping. The top of his left foot was black and blue. This investigation was opened and closed in less than 1 week.
That was it. They closed their file and they walked away.
Booth is suing 2 social workers involved in JaeLuv's case, along with the county.
When they walked away, you know, JaeLuv was on his own without any ability to protect himself.
Booth says there needs to be accountability, and this lawsuit paves the way for justice in civil court. Now, the criminal phase of the case is ongoing. Patrick Johnson and Crystal Johnson, charged in JaeLuv's death, are still awaiting trial, due back in court April 14th. We will continue to follow and care about JaeLuv's story. I'm reporting live in the studio, Kara Rucker, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.